Hello everyone, we've got another great update to the Full Scope Freelancer tools. This time we've rolled out a brand new feature in your calendar settings. Have you ever been in the situation where you wanted to have a lot of availability in your calendar for calls with customers, calls with potential customers, but you didn't want it to appear, especially maybe if you're at the beginning of a new business and you don't have that many appointments, like there's nothing going on in your calendar, like you've got just nothing to do. A situation like this where clients come to book a call with you and just every single day it looks like from 8 to 5 p.m. there's just nothing going on in your business. That could potentially leave a bit of a negative feeling. Again, like you've just got nothing going on. We want to avoid that, and we've got a brand new tool that's going to help you with this. So if we head back to our Full Scope account, over to calendars, if I just choose any of these calendars, let me use this test calendar. I'm going to open it up and head to the availability. And right here underneath of our normal availability settings, we now have this brand new button called Look Busy. And it sounds like exactly what it is. It's going to hide a certain percentage of the slots in your calendars so that it appears like you have stuff going on even when you don't. So if you want to have a full day of availability for your customers, but you don't want them to get the impression that you've got nothing going on days where you really don't have any appointments, then now you can use this tool to hide, again, a certain percentage of the calendar slots. So it looks like you've got at least a little bit going on in your business, right? So let me try. I'm going to do something very drastic, like 50%, just so you can see it at work here. So if we save this Look Busy feature turned on with 50% of the slots hidden and come back to this calendar and reload it, then we should see a drastic reduction in the amount of slots available every day in this calendar. So let's take a look. And let's go to Monday next week, and boom, as you can see, from 8 to, I think, 10 a.m., it's blocked completely. And this the next day on Tuesday, we have a couple of slots in the morning, less later on. It's going to randomize the slots that are taken away so that it doesn't, again, it looks dynamic, it looks very real, it looks like, you have variable availability, just like in a real normal calendar where people are booking you occasionally. So this tool, again, is just going to help you appear, at least in a situation where you don't have a lot going on, to have a bit going on. And you can also use it really to block a lot of space on your calendar if you'd like, to give people even more of an impression of scarcity in your business, maybe pressure them a bit more to think, oh, I better book this person before they run out of space. Completely how you use this tool is up to you, but now you have it available. Again, Look Busy under the availability options in each of your calendars. And of course, if you have any questions, you can always reach out to our team through your support portal inside of your account, and we will see you in the next update video.